Yeah,
I am gonna take my horses to the older town road. I am gonna ride till I can't no more.
well. Welcome back to a brand new video now. Today we are going on a little road trip. No idea, let's see where we end up. Yes guys, so the location today, we are in Frankenstein's castle.
It's alive! So if you have sensitive children, maybe you should tuck them into bed early tonight instead of writing us angry letters tomorrow.
So hopefully I can get a little bit of history about this castle, and I'll let you guys know what I find out about this place, and also I'm gonna carry you guys along and show you around. Frankenstein's castle, with the German name Burg Frankenstein, is a hilltop castle in the hills overlooking the city of Darmstadt in Germany. Let's talk about the meaning of Frankenstein. Frankenstein is a German name consisting of two words. The Franks are a Germanic tribe, and Stein is a German word for stone. The meaning of Frankenstein is stone of the Franks. The word Stein is common in the names of landscape, places, and castles in Germany. The word Frankenstein is a rather ordinary name for a castle in this region. Despite of being a well-known tourist destination, Frankenstein's castle had never been developed into a commercial tourist attraction on a large scale.
A minute later.
Also, the local people use the mountain chains on which Frankenstein's castle is located for sports activities like hiking, and mountain biking. And normally the castle is open to the public until late at night. On site, parking is possible right at the castle, and there is a restaurant that serves food and refreshments. However, admission and parking are free, except during special occasions like the Halloween festival, when there's a charge for admission. This castle gained international attentions when the sci-fi TV show Ghost Hunters made a whole episode about the castle in 2008, episode number 107.
Anyway guys, actually I won't get to go inside of the castle because it is closed now because of Corona. Also they have a little card with a little quest around the castle, so we are on that quest, walking around to see what we find. I know some game for kids, so we're on that quest. So yeah.
However, it is thought that this castle may have been the inspiration for Mary Shelley when she wrote her 1818 Gothic novel Frankenstein.
Hey!
Yes, big up to all of the people from Jamaica, I mean, no respect. Ming TV. Woo! Yo, big man. Hi, ich heiße Deja und ich komme aus Jamaika und meine Muttersprache ist super komisch. Es heißt Fatwa und es ist ein bisschen Französisch, ein bisschen Afrikanisch, ja, viel Blabla. And my language so that is your wagwan, but general, big up for the servant and everybody will support me. Better by TV, no respect every time. Big.
Das ist
At least it was a tree, you know. It's
Eine
stone.
Eiche. Eine Eiche ist es.
Keine Ahnung. Ich komme gleich.
I'm going to shoot it away.
Frankenstein is gonna get you. Okay, so this tunnel here, if no insect, no animals was here to eat the leaf, digest the leaf, after 10 years it would be, all the leaf that fall from the tree would be as high as this tower. Weird. Also, we have a little instrument for the kids. So guys, I have no idea what this is. Anyway, we're still on the kids quest. You understand? So far it's been fun for the kids, you know, a lot of activity, a lot to learn about, a lot to see, you know, so that's really good. So I would advise you guys, if you have some time, you can actually come here and walk around. It's nice to get out of the house at once and just go somewhere, have a little walk and just chill. It's good. So I'm enjoying this. You understand? Yeah.
Was ist
dein
Ein Wald.
So this year is just to teach kids about leaves and different trees and wood and all that stuff. So interesting for them, you know. Really good. So when you open it inside, you will see that this showing you what kind of tree it is, and the name.
Spitzahorn.
Yeah. So the name. Yeah. And then a sample of the tree. Really. So it's good. Oh, and the leaf. Play something.
Wie geht es doch mal?
Yep. So this is more entertainment for the kids. Music and more music.
Das hier ist so eine schöne Straße und der ist so lahmarschig, ey.
Anyway guys, that's it for today. We finished with everything really, and it was a very interesting day actually. It turns out to be very interesting, right Chachi?
Ja, und wir sind 4 Kilometer gelaufen.
Yeah, so now we are heading home. Really tired. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, click that little bell icon so you'll be notified of done work. Boom.
Gonna take my horses to the old town road. I am gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back.